This is a question of optics. Okay, a divergent lens of focal length 30 centimeters. So what does it mean, the divergent lens? A lens is called divergent lens when it making the parallel beams diverging. Which lens is basically doing this thing? That is the concave lens. So we can say it is a concave lens of focal length 30 centimeter. At what distance should an object of height 5 centimeter from the optical center of the lens be placed? Okay. So we have to find out where the object should be placed. So we have to find out the object distance here, so that the image is formed 15 centimeter away from the lens. Okay. So the image distance is given, the object distance we have to find out, and the focal length is given. So we can say that the focal length, since it is a divergent lens, so it is a concave lens, so I can say it is minus 30 centimeter. So if I just draw this, so it will be something like this. This is a divergent lens. Okay. So if the object is placed somewhere here, then the light ray coming out from it parallel to the principal axis, and after refraction diverges. Okay. Another light ray coming out from this point passing through the optical center. So if I just extend this, it will intersect here. So this will be the image. So this is my object and this is my image. Okay. The height of the object is given. We can denote it by HI, object. So HO is 5 centimeter. Okay. The image distance is given. So image distance is obviously, in case of the divergent lens, that is the concave one. So it is on the same side as that of the object. So we can say the image distance, that is 15 centimeter here, that is a negative one. So it is minus 15 centimeter. Now I am just writing down the equation of the lens, that is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by L. What is the value of V? The value of V is minus 15 centimeter. U we have to find it out, and the focal length is minus 30. So from here we can say it is minus 1 by 15. If I take it on this side, it will be 1 by 30, and if I take this 1 by U on the right hand side, it will be simply 1 by U. So 30 is the LCM. Okay. This is minus 2, this is minus 2, okay, and this is plus 1, the simple LCM. So 1 by U. So obviously from here we can say that U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So the object is placed at a distance minus 30 centimeter. So after calculation it becomes this. Okay. So we can say that it is 30 centimeter. The image is formed at a distance 15 centimeter. Okay. And so we obtain the answer that at what distance an object of height 5 centimeter from the optical center of the lens be placed so that the image is formed 15 centimeter away from the lens. So we have to place the object at a distance 30 centimeter from the lens such that the image is formed at a distance 15 centimeter from the lens. Now we have to find out the size of the image. So the size of the object, that is HO, is given. So HI we have to find it out. The expression of the magnification can be written as HO by HI, that is the height of the image to that of the height of the object, is equal to image distance to that of the object distance. What is the height of the image, that we have to find it out. Okay. But before that we have to take care of the sign conventions. Height of the object, since it is on the upside of the principal axis we have considered, so we can say it is plus 5. So it is plus 5. What is V? V is minus 15. What is the value of U? U is minus 30. So from here, if I say what is the value of HI, the value of HI is 5. This thing basically cancels out, so this becomes 2, that is 1 by 2. So at that side that will be 1 by 2. So the image height will be 2.5 centimeter, that is, it is exactly the half of the size of that of the object. So a divergent lens of focal length 30 centimeter is placed here. Okay, this is an object is placed here which is at a distance 30 centimeter from the lens. Okay, the image is formed at a distance 15 centimeter from it. Okay, here the size of the object is 5 centimeter, so half of the size of the image is formed. Okay, so this is the thing. Thank you all of you.